Welcome back to 3 Bricks Hour, guys. As you can tell by the title, today we're going to make something glow. Just over a year ago, my wife and I were planning to go to a party, and we thought it'd be neat if we brought along some glowing Jello. So I go to the store, I buy all the ingredients for this glow-in-the-dark Jello. I come home, I follow the directions to a T, and guys, I'll be honest with you, I was extremely disappointed with the results. They just did not meet expectations. I threw it away and I didn't take it. I knew there had to be a better way to make Jello glow stronger and brighter, and after some research, I think I found it, and now I'm about to share it with you. Now guys, that tonic water on the left, that is what every internet glow-in-the-dark Jello recipe calls for. On the right, it costs a little more, but it has natural quinine in it, and there is a difference. Now you can see even in broad daylight, they have about the same glowing capabilities in their liquid form. We'll go ahead and boil all 4 bottles of the tonic water with the natural quinine in it. Now I'll go ahead and put this gelatin into my mold. Now guys, if you're going to eat this, you're going to want to add a cup of sugar. It'll take the bitterness out of the tonic water. Now we're going to add that hot tonic water to the gelatin. You're probably thinking it's not going to fit. Man, I'm going to tell you like my pappy told me. If I tell you rooster haul a freight train, don't argue with me. Just go hook him up. So once we finally get all that in there, we're going to grab us a whisk and we're going to slowly dissolve the gelatin in that hot tonic water. After about 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. Now here's where I put the camera down so I don't spill this all over the floor trying to get it in the refrigerator. Now you're going to put it in the refrigerator, let it sit for a minimum of 24 hours to solidify. After 24 hours, pull that joker out. Now you'll need to have it separated from whatever mold you're using. And the best way I found is about 2 inches of hot water. And after a while you'll see it starting to separate itself from the mold. You can use whatever mold you want. You can even use ice trays, as I tried to do last year. But I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. Now guys, there's no doubt, that is bright Jello. That is what I was looking for the whole time. Now the container on the left right here has no tonic water. That does have the recipe that the internet suggests. And you can see between that and that, there's a huge difference. And all I changed was the natural quinine. Now I don't know the science behind this, but what I do know is tonic water with natural quinine in it seems to produce a stronger and brighter glow in Jello than its generic counterpart that doesn't have the natural quinine. So if you do decide to make glowing Jello, use natural quinine, guys. You're going to be happier with the results. My name's Dominic. This is 3 Bricks Hour. We post videos on it about every 2 to 3 weeks, so we'll check back or subscribe. That's up to you. Till then, we'll catch you next time. Help us, Natty One Kenobi. You're our only hope.